Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway. We're actually driving out of the city of Kingston today. We're heading towards Spanish Town. So this is the main route that you would take into and out of the city of Kingston. As you can see, it's 6 lanes. One of the nicest roads you'll see in Jamaica. It was recently renovated a few years ago under the major infrastructure development program. Government spent 64 million US to upgrade the road from the from the Spanish Town Road intersection down to the Portmore turnoff. So this is the section of the road that was upgraded that we're driving on. And they actually plan to renovate the road from the port where this road project, the first road project, ended, all the way to the Old Harbour Road roundabout. That's going to be phase 2 of the Mandela Highway project, and that's going to be done under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. However, no start date or any specifics have been given for that project. But this road that we're on is the busiest road in Jamaica. This is Mandela Highway. Now, 4 reasons why it's the busiest road. 1, it takes you into and out of the largest city in Kingston. 2, you access both major highways in Jamaica. On the left is the entrance to the Highway 2000 east-west leg. And further down you have the entrance to the Highway 2000 north-south leg. The road on the left takes you on the south coast, and the road on the right takes you on the north coast. And 3, it takes you into Portmore, which is one of the largest cities, or has one of the largest populations in Jamaica, and it's going to become a parish very soon. And the 4th reason is this road takes you to Spanish Town. And outside of the city of Kingston, Portmore and Spanish Town have the largest populations. So you find a lot of persons live in Portmore and the Spanish Town and the communities around it, and then work in Kingston, so they use this road every day. So straight ahead now is the ramp. That bridge is the overhead bridge for the cars coming onto Mandela Highway from the Highway 2000 east-west leg. Okay, so here now you can see this is where the road project stopped. So it's going to continue from here all the way through Central Village, Twickenham Park, and down to the Spanish Town Road bypass. And straight ahead where we're coming up to the stoplight, that is the intersection that's where you turn left to go into Portmore. Okay, this bus in front of us just looks lean. I don't think it's the road. I think something is wrong with the bus. That's why they have the hazard lights on. The bus is lean. You have to ask the question, should that bus be driving on the road? It should be on a wrecker. So the cars that are going left, they're going into Portmore. Alright, so you can see a big difference now in the road that we just came off of and the road that we're on. It's still Mandela Highway, but the part that was renovated, you would think you were driving in a first world country like the US. That is the quality road, that is. And then when you're on this side of the road now with the potholes, and just a reminder that you're driving. Why is this car driving so slow? Okay, so coming up on the right now is where you would access the Highway 2000 north-south leg. Now this car in front of us, it looks like one of those vintage cars. See if we can see the name of it. I can't make it out. See if we can get closer. Tally Art. Alright, so we're now going into the central village area.